Are you guys sick of all these iOS videos? Yeah, me neither. Hey, hi, hello, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Portia. All my friends call me Porsh, so you could call me Porsh too. So today, you guys, I am so excited for this. I'm literally like a child. It's making me think of MySpace days. I'm showing my age, but it's making me think of MySpace when, you know, you would like code your old like MySpace page and then it would just. But if you don't already know already, we are talking about the iOS 14 update. Oh my gosh, it is so lit and it is so poppin', and it's literally taking up everybody's time this whole entire weekend. So I feel like there's a ton of videos like this on YouTube already in the course of like 2 days. But I feel like at this point, we're all just showing each other what each other's home screens look like. With that being said, I hope you guys are ready. So sit back, relax, grab you a snack, buckle up, because we about to get this thing started. So today we are talking about app customization. We are talking about theme. We are talking about aesthetic. We are talking about what the heck a Widget Smith is. Like, seriously, what the heck is a Widget Smith? So if you're interested and you want to see more, then just keep on watching. All right, you guys, so I know you probably want to see a picture of what my phone looked like before, or what my home screen looked like before. So I will put one up right now. But in the meantime, I'm going to start screen recording on my phone and we can just get to getting, okay? So as you can see, this is what my phone looks like at the moment. Isn't it cute? It is so cute. I did that, if I do say so myself. Now it's not all like fancy schmancy like a whole bunch of other people's, but it's very minimum, it's very aesthetic, it's very me. Okay, it's very me. A quick little rundown of everything that I have on my home page. I have just calendar, and then I have all the apps that I use on a daily basis. So it's my Bible app, my Instagram app, Twitter app, YouTube, my photos, my text messages, my mail, and Safari, which is the internet, and my phone by some down here. And then if we move it over, we just have all these widgets. I haven't really went through any of them just yet. And then I have a blank page right here, which is a folder. I'll get to that in a second. And then right here, we have our infamous app library. Now, when I first saw it, I was just kind of like, this just looks like a cluster of just unorganizationness. It looks a mess, but so far it's actually pretty helpful. So I'm a little surprised by that, but pleasantly surprised, So going back to the first page. So I know you guys are probably going to wonder how I got my page to look like this. So a few things that you're going to need. You need an iPhone, preferably. You need an iPhone. The second thing that you're going to need is Pinterest, because we are finding all the stuff and getting all the things, all the ideas off of Pinterest, because where else do you get ideas from? You need, what else? Oh, you need to download the app Widget Smith. It is completely free. It's completely free to download. I think there's like a subscription if you want like a certain, like I think if you want the weather on with like the weather widget, but you already have like a weather widget on your phone already. And then that is pretty much it. Oh, also we are going to go to a website called the Noun Project, I believe it's called. So just stay tuned for all of that. First thing you want to do is move all of your apps out of the way so you can have a clear home screen, like completely clear, no apps, okay? Just move them all the way. So the first thing that you want to do, I'm going to show you guys how you can do that. That's why I have this folder right here, is so I can show you guys how to do that. You're just going to hold it down and everything is just going to start jiggling. And then you can say remove from home screen, and then you can do that, and then it's just going to take it directly to your app library. Sometimes it asks you if you want to go to your app library or if you want to delete the app altogether. If it's a major app that you use all the time and you're going to be using shortcuts, do not, under any circumstance, delete the actual app, because if you delete the app, you can't really make a shortcut to the app because you deleted the app. Does that make sense? Are you following? Wake up! So now that you have gotten rid of all your apps and your apps are in the app library, and if you don't know what I'm talking about, this is your app library right here. So now that everything is in your app library, you should have a blank, nothing on the home screen. You should have a blank home screen. So that's where the fun begins. First things first, you want to go to your app store, so just pull down on the search bar, or you can go to the app library, just type in app store or whatever, or if you want to do this before you delete your apps, or not delete your apps, please don't delete your apps, or you move your apps to the app library, you can do this as well. Just go to the app store, download Widget Smith, and then from there we can get started. So what is Widget Smith? Widget Smith is pretty much just a widget customization app. You can use it for pictures, you can use it for the weather, you can use it for your calendar, you can use it for a whole bunch of stuff. So what we're gonna do right now is go in to Widget Smith right now. This is what Widget Smith is going to look like. So first things first, you're going to click on default. This is going to be the default widget. So you're just going to click on that, and it's going to show you all the different things that you can do. So for the time locations, whatever looks cute to you. So pick the style, and then you can also do the photo. You can do multiple photos, so like a collage. You can do a custom text, or you can leave it blank. Let's do a custom text. It's gonna say your text here. So let's just say white. And I'm gonna go to the font. So we're gonna go rounded, system, New York. A lot of people like New York, but so far I'm either doing rounded or system. Future, noteworthy, chalk duster, typewriter. And I'm sure as many people have downloaded this app that they're probably going to upload more fonts. But I think I'm gonna go with New York this time. So tint color, I think I'm gonna go with black. I don't have black as an option. Okay, never mind. Background color. So we're gonna go with white. So, and then if you want to have like a border color, you can either do that. I'm just gonna do black, and or most of the time I don't do a border color at all because I don't really see the purpose in it. So this is what it looks like. Actually, you know what? I'm not gonna do a border color. That is hideous. Oh my God. All right, so we're gonna go back. That is what it looks like. So I'm gonna hit save. So now to add the widget onto your page. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna hold this down, toggle it. The two little things right there, actually, no, we're gonna do the add. We're gonna go all the way down to search widgets, and you're gonna have all of the already widgets that you're already gonna have. So you're gonna go down to Widget Smith, and then you're going to go to medium widgets. So whichever widget that you created, you're gonna go to that size. Now it's not gonna show you what widget you created, it's just going to be there. So we're gonna go to medium and add widget. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna move this to the next one, and it kind of messed up everything, so we're just gonna move these back over. All right, so this is the original one that I made, which is perfectly fine. But if you want to change it, we can, wait, there we go, medium widgets. So we want to go to medium widget 2, which is the one that we made. So that is how you customize and make a widget. Next thing, that is how you make your widgets. But before you do that, you kind of want to have a theme. So that's why we're gonna go into Pinterest and we are going to pick out a theme. Future me was looking out for past me because I already had like a wallpaper full of like just themey, aesthetic, just cute things, okay? Just real cute things. And if you guys want to follow me on Pinterest, by all means, period, follow me. But yeah, so it's just full of quotes, like really cute, like just different things, pictures, and so on and so forth. So, and just everything just real vibey, okay? So real vibey. So first thing you want to do is if you want something just really minimal and just whatever, you can pick something like this. Or if you want like a poster of your favorite athlete or favorite musician, whatever, just Google that image, or you can look it up on Pinterest. You can do that as well. Or have something in mind, like for instance, you go to search and you can go to phone wallpaper aesthetic. So a lot of people are doing that. And it's just a whole bunch of like aesthetics that you can choose from, that you can pick, which is perfect because this kind of helps with you creating like a color theme, because the colors really do come in handy. So once you find something really cute, really fun, I did white. So let's kind of like this theme right here. So like really light pastel colors, really go with that. So cool beans. So next thing you want to do, once you figure out a color, you're going to either save it to your camera roll. So by doing that, you can just go back and you will hit these 3 dots down here and just hit download image. And then you can go to your photos and the image will be right there. So one other thing is, how do you get those really cool apps? So I know a lot of people are also getting their app covers from Pinterest as well. So like if you see a picture that you like, it's literally going to be the same thing. You're just going to download the image and then create a shortcut, which I'm going to show you guys how to do in a second. But if you're like me and you actually wanted like the app on your phone to like look, I have found the coolest website ever. So the first thing that you're going to do, you're going to go to the internet Safari, and you are going to go to this website called thenowproject.com. I'm going to have it linked down below, so don't even trip. But it gives you a list of all of the app emojis, whatever. So you can literally pick out anything. So let's see, let's do Snapchat. I don't have one for Snapchat. So they have all these different ones for Snapchat. So the most obvious one is going to be this ghost one. But if you want to get really like particular, you can do ghost. And that way you can really find a Snapchat filter. So once you find one, this one seems like the most Snapchatty one. You're just gonna hold down on it and then you're gonna go to add to photos. And now that is officially into your camera roll. So now we are going to get into the app process. So first things first, I'm going to go to my Bazaart app. So once again, I talk about Bazaart all of the time. A lot of people talk about Over as well. A lot of people go really legit and get Adobe or Photoshop or what have you. But yeah, I like Bazaart. It is a subscription, so I think I pay about $7.99 a month. So yeah, but it's worth it, you guys. It's worth it, okay? To new, and we're gonna go to start from scratch. So the first thing that we're gonna do is just, honestly, just pick a color. So whatever background color you want. We are gonna go to background, and we are going to pick, I did white, so now I gotta go, let's just pick white. So now we have a white background. Now we're gonna go to photos, whatever we just picked. So we're gonna click on this little thing right here, which is so cute. The cutest thing ever. So there we go, it's centered. So that is pretty much it. Then I'm going to save that image. So now we are about to make a shortcut. So this is how we're gonna make a shortcut. So first things first, you want to go to your apps. If you deleted shortcuts off of your phone, by all means, put it back on your phone. You don't have to pay for it or anything. It's an app that automatically comes on your iPhone. So it's on your phone, trust me, it is on your phone. Now I did a video, like a what's on my iPhone and how I customize my iPhone like a long time ago. So if you're interested in that video, go check that one out below, and I did different things with the apps as well. So this is what we're doing. So a shortcut, you're just going to go to the plus button. So you're gonna hit the plus button, add action. You're gonna go to scripting, which is going to be that X, open app, because pretty much it's just asking you what do you want the shortcut to do. We want to just open the app, that's all we want to do. So we're gonna open, choose, and we're gonna go to Snapchat. So we're gonna hit Snapchat, we're gonna go to next, and then snap, pretty much. And so now we hit done. So there is, here we go, it takes you to Snap. Hi. So now we're going to hit these three dots right here, and then we're going to add to home screen. And now we're gonna choose a photo. So we're gonna choose this one that we made. So we're gonna hit choose, and then we're gonna hit add, and done. So hopefully it's on your home screen, it's right there, and it's super easy, and it matches. So that is super cute, super fun. And then I also know you can take these widgets and you can move them to wherever you want them to be. So like for instance, this one, let's see, what else do I want over here? Okay, so yeah, that is pretty much how you can customize it, make it your own, make it vibey. So with that being said, that is pretty much it. That is how you customize your iPhone with all the apps, with the widgets, with all the good stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, because I know I enjoyed making it, and I for sure love watching everybody else's videos. So if you created a real bomb iOS 14 home screen, let me know down below so I can check it out. Hit me up on Twitter, hit me up on Instagram. I would love to see them. And until then, like and share this video so other people will know how to do the home screens too. And don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, because I like making a ton of these videos. So with that being said, till next time guys, bye.